How is this trophy a step towards that?
It's a step in the right direction. That's all that is. We chose to compete today, and we came out on top.
I was left hand shot. Come on, trying to be just like Jesus, the purpose of life.